Hanggang to here. Tubig yan. Bonita. Meron din dito na shop na pangalan niya is Bonita. Maganda. We're in this side. Lot of people. In here. You can also go there. And this is the entrance of the church. No, not the church, the small city. We've been here before. Wait, I'll just in here. And then we walk. Kita ko sa inyo yung buong view dito. Gaano kaganda. Yun. Oh, look. Ganda ng mga bahay dito. Sobrang tahimik dito sa center nila, guys. So, malinis, tapos maganda yung mga building, mga bahay nila, maganda din. Ayun. Ganyan yung mga bahay. Very colorful. Ah. It's a weird house. Pero maganda siya. Guys, heto ano to, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. So, discover natin kung anong place na to. Yeah, you can go. Ah, it's a school. Yeah. It's a school.
And then this is a pompier area.
Yeah, it's a school. It's a weird guy, usually. Yes, yes.
Why?
I find it weird. This is a Comuna school, I think. Ang ganda ng fountain nila sa bato. Yan. Ayan ang bahay din.
Go and see there. Let's go.
Beautiful. So guys, the difference between the river in this side, the other side, that where I'm filming, it's a Switzerland, and this side is Germany. And this big river is between Germany and Switzerland. And they have a nuclear power plant. It's located in Switzerland also. It's beautiful. I will zoom in. So continue tayo maglakad dito sa old city na to. Ayan. So guys, we are going to eat in this place, and this is their menu. Is restaurant Lamb. Lamb is a meat.
Yeah, that's the name of the restaurant.
Name of the restaurant is Lamb. And I will order fish or curry or whatever we can see. And this is the place where we are now. Since I don't know German, they gave me this menu card in English because I don't know German. So I have found my order. This is my order. Cocos curry, turkey breast strips with cocos curry sauce.
Il y a du poisson aussi, si tu veux. Ça c'est du saumon.
Okay.
So you found what you want?
Yes. Smile.
Wait. No.
Guys, andito tayo sa center, dito sa city ng Balsuns, dito sa Germany. Ito yung background natin. Kain tayo ngayon. Dito tayo kakain ng ating dinner. Thank you. Or salad. Thank you. Una kit.
Danke. Also,
Sehr heiß.
Gut, ito yung pagkain ko.
ça c'est les rösti. C'est la spécialité de la maison. D'ailleurs, les rösti c'est une spécialité suisse.
Mine is this one. And it's too big. I don't know if I can finish it.
You can finish. No worries.
With the bar background here, that one. This is the restaurant that we were eating. Maganda. And that's the city, that city. Ang ganda ng restaurant. Dito kami kumain. Ito yung view niya. Itong mga wine sa loob. Nakatanda na yung wine. Yan. Yan. Yan ang city na nakita natin, yung old city nila. Ang ganda. May painting siya. Pangalan ng restaurant is Luma Restaurant. Okay, so bakit na tayo. So natapos na kami kumain. I-film ko lang dito tapos pauwi na tayo. Maganda dito. Tapos dito din sa side dito. Ayan. Dito maganda. We're going home. We did our day here and it's beautiful. And I hope to come here soon again. And it's so beautiful, guys. It's I didn't see it. It's done. And this is the entrance of the castle. And then no, Saba. Oh, it's very windy. It's nice.
C'est une région asperge ici.
Yes.
It's very cool.
Guys, this restaurant is weird. Look, yung ano niya. Pauwi na tayo, tapos i-film natin to kanina kasi nakita natin to kanina. He's a big fit. He's so weird. Pauwi na tayo ng Switzerland. Guys, ito yung place na pinuntahan natin. Ito yung history niya. Ito yung famous old city. So it's time to go home and we are going back in Switzerland. Bye Germany.
So this should be a green.
The train of Germany train.
It's like a tram.
Look guys, small border, Zoll Waldshut. Dito tayo kanina sa ano na to, sa city ng Waldshut. Waldshut. Pag sa German siya pagbasahin Waldshut. Waldshut. Yan ang border ng Germany to Switzerland.
Here's a skull. Ici. Ils sont vraiment à côté, c'est pour ça.
It's a nice bridge, this one.
Ah, c'est pour le train. On est en Suisse.